Hello everybody, my name is Jürgen Seitz. I'm a solution architect for Netscope based in Germany, and in today's demo video I would like to introduce the SSL inspection dashboard for advanced analytics. In this video I will explain how to access the dashboard, the use case, and how to use the dashboard in your environment. Let me first show how to access the dashboard. The dashboard is located in our default Netscope library. Click on the library and go to the search window, type SSL and press enter. Then you will see the filtered view and the new SSL inspection dashboard is showing up. Click on it to get access. On the top of this dashboard we show why an SSL inspection is important. Netscope is doing SSL inspection by default, but we all know for certain reasons there are exceptions necessary. That could be because of technical reasons, like the application is certificate pinned, or for legal reasons that, for example, for healthcare or finance data, you would not like to inspect the traffic. In general, SSL inspection is important. That's the only way to give you detailed and granular view on the usage of cloud and web services, what activities are done, what data is moved, and is very essential for threat protection and data protection. The data source of these dashboards are transaction events. If your dashboard shows no data, then your tenant is not licensed or enabled for transaction events. Please discuss this issue with your customer success manager or your account team. The dashboard itself starts with a few important data points. You see on the left side in red the data without SSL inspection. We show here the number of domains, the number of events, and the total bytes in gigabyte. On the right side you see the same data points in green for traffic which is SSL inspected. In the middle we show the SSL inspection rate in a nice radial gauge, and you can see our inspection rate is quite low with 75%. We will inspect or investigate in a minute why this is that low. Before we go ahead, I would like to talk quickly about the filters here. By default, the time filter is for 1 day only, but for a better set of data, I recommend to change the value up to 10 days. By default, the retention period for transaction events is 7 days, plus a grace period of 3 days. So therefore 10 days is the best value to get the best data in your tenant. So change it to 10 and click the refresh button. The dashboard will reload and will show us the data for the new time frame. So you can see the data points have increased, but also our inspection rate has gone down to 60%. So let's investigate why is this the case. So in the second part of the dashboard we have two tables to show you the top host domains without SSL inspection here in red, and on the right side with SSL inspection. And here you can see immediately in the top, because the table is sorted by megabytes, on total bytes and megabytes, that we have here a host domain which a high amount of traffic which is SSL bypassed. This is by intention, and therefore I would like to remove this now from my dashboard to get a better view on the real inspection rate. For that we have a second filter, host domain. Click on it, remove the domain, the default value, and add your domains you would like to remove from this view. You can enter one or multiple domains here to clean up the view, to maybe see wrongly SSL inspected domains and host name. So we update this here and refresh the dashboard again. So let's reload the data. And now you can see we have a much more better SSL inspection rate with almost 100%. That's a perfect value. And now we get also a better view on other domains which are in SSL bypass. You can then review this with your team and compare it to your policy. If you find here additional domains which should not be in the SSL bypass, then please update your SSL inspection policy, and you can then improve your overall SSL inspection rate and get better visibility and control about your data. I hope this video was helpful for you. Finally, I would like to ask you to join our community under community.netscope.com. Here you will find helpful discussions and new dashboards around advanced analytics and much more. Thank you for watching.